Hi everyone. In this video module, we will see how to insert a geochart. Okay. Before that, let us insert back our field map and we'll see what is the difference between a field map and a heat map. So they're not much different. Like instead of field map, like in styling option, I'll go and change this to heat map. Then just with the click of a button, the whole thing gets into change into a heat map. Okay, like if I am inserting my city of interest as location, then cities where sales are made, it is converted into a heat map. Okay, so this is the basic difference between a field map and a heat map. Let me revert it to a field map again, and I will insert a geochart now. Okay, to compare the differences between field map and geochart. You might see that the highlighted area is more or less the same. Okay, you are having a free option to zoom in or zoom out here, but it is restricted in this geochart. The next difference is that the areas other than the highlighted areas are still marked and they are not transparent, whereas here the marked area is opaque, whereas the others are relatively transparent, and the labeling of the other areas is not present. Okay, so this is the one difference. Then what are the other differences? There are three more differences. The first difference is that in our geochart, we have the option of drill down, optional metric, and zoom area. Okay, which is not present in our field map. Which is not present in our field map. So what is the zoom option? Zoom is nothing but it will help you to determine which area should be focused. Okay, I'll click on Asia now. Okay, only Asia will be focused, and in Asia, where the sales is made, that region is highlighted. So this is the option which is available only with GeoChart, and it will help us to save a lot of space. Okay, then you can have like drill down option. Like if you want your data to be drilled down to the level of city or state, that you can do it. But somehow in this particular data set, Google Data Studio is failing to recognize the Indian cities and states for the purpose of geocharts alone. So we will skip it as of now. Okay. And metric, you can have optional metrics also. So as of now, the areas are highlighted according to the record count. If I want, I can highlight according to profit or according to sales. All this can be done. And then zoom area, we saw what is it already. Other options remain the same. Date range, filters, cross filters, all are the same. Okay, and you have the styling options which are quite limited. You can change the colors and other things which are more or less similar to bubble maps and fill maps. Okay, so this is a difference between a geochart and the fill maps. Hope this was useful. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you.